Hi, this is Elizabeth with WTI, and if you're like me and you love cooking with a cast iron pot, but sometimes you're a little worried about how you should clean it, then check out this cast iron soap from Caron and Doucet. What I really love about this product is how easy it's made to clean my cast iron pots. First of all, I'm always like, what should I, like traditional soaps are too harsh, so what do I clean with it? Then you use just water and you have to let it sit for hours and the food is just like stuck on there and it doesn't work very well. So this has been a true lifesaver. It saves time, it's very gentle on the cast iron. Honestly, I have this griddle pot and it doesn't get cleaned every time because it's just a pain to clean. So I use this. I was like, this is the main reason why I wanted this cast iron soap. And so instantly used it because the food was so caked on it. It did take like about 5 minutes, but that job would have taken me hours of just having it sit in water. So thankfully, done in a couple minutes. Now every time I gotta clean my cast iron pot, it's done so quick. I don't have to let it sit in water anymore. I still do use a plastic scraper or a bristle brush just so that I can get the soap mixed around really good and also that to help get the food off. The one thing that really surprised me about this soap was how good it smelled. Like instantly it just smelled like lemon and citrus. It smelled natural and it smelled really clean. The product comes really full. As you can see, the liquid itself is a little thinner than traditional soap, which is perfect. So the consistency is more like oil. And after using it for several weeks, you don't need a lot of soap to get something clean. So as you can see, I have plenty of this soap left that's going to last me a really long time. This is going to help you use your cast iron pots even more because you're not going to have to let it soak for hours and wait for it to be clean. This is going to help you clean fast while keeping it natural, ready to cook again. But that's just my point of view.